Hey, welcome back, guys. We're going to start uploading some more RC videos again. Here's Ireland. You might have seen him in some of the videos from like 10 years ago. For his birthday, he got a new Blade 150S. Yeah, it just released, what, like a month ago? So he's out here flying it for the first time today. And it's pretty stable, and it's a little breezy out right now, too. He's using his DX6i. And it's a little breezy out. Not windy, but breezy. This is the first time he's flown a collective pitch heli, actually. He's mostly done quads and regular helis, fixed pitch we have. But the 150s, I think it's the perfect size because it's got good weight and really good power. It's running a 3S. I think these are the Venom packs. 3S. What do you call it? 450 milliamp, right?
Yeah.
But that's setup was really easy. He's 15. He just turned 15 for his birthday, and he did all the setup on the radio himself. I helped with zero of it. I just hovered it for a quick second first, in case it did anything crazy and broke, and I'd be responsible for it. But that was just one time, and then he went up with no problem. So he's just hovering it, just getting used to how it is in the wind, not really doing anything much more than hovering around. He's been practicing in the simulator quite a bit too, so that thing's really stable though. So he's only going to fly for 4 minutes because he's going to condition the battery a little bit because it was a little bit lower cell when he got it. But find and fly. What do you think of it? What's your first impressions of it? He was going to choose between this or the Trio, or the 230S, but I think we decided on this one first. So that was a 4-minute hover flight he did. I started a video a minute and a half or so late. So, but what do you think? How's it feel? Does it feel good flying?
Really smooth.
I mean, you haven't really done much of the quads lately, but show the camera. It's a really nice looking helicopter, carbon fiber, aluminum, and we weren't sure if we were going to do the 180 with the tail rotor belt system, you know, the traditional.
The Fusion.
We just heard there's more parts to break, but they're definitely good helicopters also. We may just do that later on when I fly one. But I like this one so much I might just get the same one. But this is out of the box with the Venom battery. So Blade 150S. More videos to come, huh? Mm-hmm. All right. See ya. Like, subscribe, guys. Thanks.